What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we're going to talk about real briefly about your legal structures when it comes to the dealership, all right, or any business in that in particular, to be honest with you. So let's get started. Here we go. Now remember, I was talking about before, after you get your location, you're going to need the address before you can file for your legal structure. And the number one is what's called a sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is simply a company that you run under your name and that you are the sole owner of that company. All right. And it means you, the owner yourself, you're responsible for all the debts and all the, everything about your business, of course, is your company. The other one is a partnership. All right. A partnership is owned by two or more people who they can share the profits and losses within each other. There are two kinds. There's a general partnership and a limited partnership. A general partnership indicates that both partners are equally responsible for all the debts and the losses and everything when it comes to the business. And the limited partnership is when one partner takes all the debt and the other partner does not share any of the debt or losses, from the business. Another most popular one is your LLC, which is a limited liability company. And a limited liability company is basically a hybrid of both companies, a corporation and a sole proprietorship all together. Okay, sole proprietorship or partnership. It allows you to protect yourself from any lawsuits that come to your company. Your personal assets are protected. Now keep in mind that you will have to contact a lawyer or a certified accountant so they can explain these things to you, because this is just a quick brief explanation of what I'm telling you. All right, keep in mind, I'm not a legal advisor, I'm not a legal professional. This is just what we did. We went ahead and we filed for an LLC, which is a limited liability corporation, and we did that by going on the Texas State Controller or Secretary of State website, the SOS. And that's what we did. We applied. It's $300. I'm going to show you a quick video on where to go and what to do. The fee for that LLC is $300. Now you can also use services like LegalZoom. You can use services like any automated services that they will put like a package all in one for you. They will put your license, your certificate of formation, all these paperwork in a binder. They'll mail it to you. That costs a little bit of money. That's usually around $700, $800, depending on the state that you're in. But the LLC that we filed for was for around $300, and you can get it online on the website. Let me show you right now. But before I get there, the last one is actually a corporation. Right now, in this corporation, it's a separate entity that is owned by shareholders. So a corporation can be right here, and it's owned by two or multiple people, or just one main company. So the corporation owns an LLC, and the LLC owns the business, or the LLC operates as the business, or whatever. Like I said, you have to contact a professional, because I'm not going to sit here and explain all this to you. All right, it's legal stuff. So get yourself a professional. Let's go inside and let me show you the the Secretary of State website, so you can get your LLC. There you go. All right, guys, so the first step you want to do is you want to go to the Secretary of State website. Now, they could be in your state. We're in Texas right now. That's what we're going to do. Then you can go to Business Services, right here where it says SOS Direct Business Searches Information. Click on that. It's going to bring you to this page that I'm at right here. All right, you can click Enter Site, and you're going to have to create an account. All right, let's see. Hang on. All right, so once you create an account, and you're going to have to use a credit card, you're going to log in. They're going to give you a number. But then we're going to go to, once you create your account, you're going to click on Business Organizations. It's going to bring you to this page. In this page right here, you can find Name Availability Search. You can click on that and find your company, the name of the company that you want to name, and see if somebody has taken it already. All right. And in order for you to file it, you're going to go to right here where it says Reservation Formation, Registration Documents. We're going to click down. If you are using an LLC, we're going to go for a domestic liability, limited liability company. This one right here, LLC. And then we're going to click File Document. And they're going to ask us what the filing type is. Certificate of Formation. That's how you create it. Hit Continue. And it's going to be a limited liability company or whatever. This is the option right here that you're going to have to get your lawyer to help you out. All right. So once you click on the name or whatever, you're gonna move forward, and this is what the paper is gonna look like. You're gonna come to a form like this, Form 205, and it's gonna be a certificate of formation, limited liability company. You can also find it on the Secretary of State website. It's called Form 205, and you can print this out, you can fill this out, you can send it to the state. So right here, Article 1, entity name and type. This is the type of the name of the entity that is gonna be, where the address is gonna be at. Okay. And then you're gonna have to show all your managers and who's gonna be the owner of the limited liability company, the LLC. The initial mailing address and all the good stuff. Any comments or anything like that, any additional documentation that they require is gonna be right here. Organized is very important. This is who's making the paperwork. If it's yourself, you're gonna put your name right here and your address. And effectiveness of filing is this becomes effective as soon as it's filed with the state. Make sure you sign, print this, and mail it out. Or if you're doing it through the website, you can do it electronically. And once you go through this section right here, you'll be able to file it. They'll give you a filing number, and you can take that number and move forward. Easy peasy, simple, just like that. That's what you need to do to create your LLC or create your business legal structure for your dealership. So once you have your location, once you have your contract in place, once you get your certificate of filing, then you're ready to move on and continue on your journey to get your license. All right, so stay tuned. That's it for this video. If there's something that I didn't go over, please hit me in the comments below and let me know what it is, and we're gonna do our best to do some research and get you going, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good one.